Happy Monday. What's Cary says? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Go Sword.
Yep, you read that right. Copyright is law. And we obey those, right? Happy Monday. You know, the first place my mind goes when I think about copyright is writing. But in your book, oftentimes that comes across a little bit different. And the struggle will revolve more around photographs and images of usually some sort of celebrity or current event. It might be actors and the movies that they play in. It might be albums and musicians. It might be athletes and, well, musicians. But the bottom line is if it's not content that you created, not photographs that you took, you can't use them legally in your book. So here's the thing. In addition to the fact that it's not legal, also, I'm sorry to break it to you, but I don't think Beyonce or Taylor Swift are going to be buying one of your yearbooks. But there are students who are going to be buying your yearbooks. And so we always want to come back to student coverage and how students interact with these celebrities, these albums, these athletes, and these actors. Instead of using this, use this. Here's another example to shift toward student coverage and away from copyright issues. There's a lot of focus right now on Spotify, and that's fabulous, but you can't print album covers because that breaks copyright. But what you can print is your students showing off their playlists because you took that photo. It's a win-win. Now, let's take this photo and do something fun with it. I learned this from Wake Young Women's Leadership Academy. They do lots of cutouts and they're always very clean. And I found out this week that they're using Adobe Express, which is a free version of Adobe software that does a great job with cutouts. Let me show you how it works. All right, so you're going to start by going to Adobe Express. I just like to Google it and it pops right up. I'm going to scroll down until I see the background remover tool with this cute little dog on it. And it will open up a box that allows you to either drag and drop your image, which is the easiest, or to click and then find it in your Finder if you'd prefer to work that way. It's going to upload this photo for you and automatically do all the work without you doing anything. Then you just download the photo and upload it into Yearbook Avenue with that transparent background. Don't you love how much technology can make our lives easier when you start to use it the right way? I was at an early college this week where not all the students are on the same campus, so they were using Zoom to interview students that were on the college campus to make sure that they were included in the book as well. Then I went to another school and this advisor was emailing the link to the tip of the week video to all of her students, and they were supposed to watch it and then reflect back answering a couple of questions to the advisor via email for an easy grade for her and an easy way for her to know that her students were keeping up with what was happening in the world of yearbook.